Thank you for being here this afternoon. Effective immediately, I'm issuing an emergency declaration to prohibit camping within high crash transportation corridors in the city of Portland. This is the first in a series of mayoral actions that I plan to take to speed the city's recovery on a number of important issues. Today, my focus is on an emergency declaration to prohibit camping in freeway and high crash corridors effective immediately. This past Wednesday, the Portland Bureau of Transportation released its Vision Zero traffic crash report for 2021. It tells a heartbreaking story. 63 individuals tragically lost their lives in traffic-related crashes in 2021. That's the highest total in more than 3 decades. Traffic-related deaths have increased each year since 2018. As mayor, I oversee the city's impact reduction program, which is responsible for cleaning up unauthorized houseless camps on land zoned either by the city of Portland or the Oregon Department of Transportation. In reviewing PBOT's report, I was keenly interested in how our houseless community, some of our most vulnerable residents, might be impacted by traffic-related deaths. In total, 70% of our pedestrian fatalities involved an individual experiencing houselessness, 70%. Our most vulnerable Portlanders are disproportionately affected by traffic-related injuries and death. These are devastating losses of life. These aren't just statistics. These are our neighbors, our sons, our daughters. They're members of our community. We've continually witnessed unsanctioned camping. We've continually witnessed unsanctioned camping in clearly unsafe locations, sometimes jarringly close to roads and freeways. You don't need to be a traffic engineer to sense that that's not safe. Now, the traffic engineers confirm our instincts. Of the 27 traffic deaths that involved a pedestrian, a vast majority, 70%, involved individuals experiencing houselessness. The findings from the Vision Zero report make one element easy to understand. We can no longer justify allowing our most vulnerable community members to be exposed to the dangers of camping in freeway and high crash corridors. This emergency order does 3 things right away. It prohibits camping along high-speed corridors. It prioritizes the work of the impact reduction team to post and remove camps in these areas. And it enables them to keep these sites free of camping with no right of return. This order goes into effect at 3 p.m. today. In the meantime, we'll continue building on the good work underway by Commissioner Dan Ryan and his team with the Safe Rest Villages to fully realize his vision. We will implement our partnership with Multnomah County to offer a safer alternative to camping in dangerous high crash transportation corridors and to help prevent the need for campers to set up other unsanctioned camps in new locations. While these efforts will modestly expand temporary shelter access with local and regional resources, we also need Oregon's governor and state legislature to prioritize funding statewide to address houselessness to provide for more shelter. Portland is by no means the only city in Oregon facing this crisis. It's only the highest profile example. The state must support Oregon cities and counties that are on the front lines of saving lives, reducing conflict, and helping those who are in desperate need of additional housing. I look forward to meeting with my fellow Oregon mayors from cities large and small to figure out how together we can get more help from our state government. And I'm not going to wait to act. As mayor, I will use my executive authority to move us in the right direction in strategic ways like this emergency declaration. There'll be more to come. Additional actions will improve the coordination of services to the unsheltered. They will improve the city's system for cleaning up Portland and keeping it that way to help address other key challenges we face. That's the end of my prepared remarks today, but it marks the beginning of my team's redoubled efforts to lead us to shared public safety and shared prosperity. Thank you very much.